Good day everyone, once again this is June Carlo, your property consultant. Guys, if you are looking for an affordable and ready for occupancy property here in East Fairview, Quezon City, please continue to watch this video. And in front of me guys is our actual turnover unit with 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 carport with living and dining area. So let's check our actual turnover unit. Let's go. So this area guys is your parking space, no? And you have a service area sa may dulo. Pero yung mga ginawa ng ibang mga unit owners guys ay they made an extension sa bypass. So just like that, no? So pwede mong lagyan ng gate or you make it as your living area, pwede din naman. Okay, sige po. And then we also have an extra room here for your storage. So pwede din may room. Okay, so akyat tayo sa second floor. Let's go. Okay, upon turnover, this is fully finished. So ibig sabihin may tiles, fully painted with partitions yung rooms. Okay, so second floor guys is your kitchen and living area. Ayan. Right? So part ng turnover yung cabinetries and yung kitchen fixtures, no? And maganda din dito guys is naka glass yung yung windows natin for natural source of light. And meron tayong konting balcony dito, and you can also place your aircon, no, at that area, yung compressor natin. Okay, sige po, let's move forward. So sa third floor guys, meron tayong 2 bedrooms with 1 common toilet and bath. Alright, so nakalimutan ko tayong ipakita yung toilet and bath sa my second floor. But yes, meron din doon. Okay, so this is your toilet and bath sa my third floor. And this is your bedroom 1. Ayan. Okay, meron naman siyang bintana. Ayan. Alright, so and this is your master's bedroom. Okay, part of the turnover is the cabinets. Okay? Alright. So guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant, helping you find your home.